Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the temperature of your HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. So, in order to check our laptop's temperature, we're gonna need to install a third-party application called Core Temp, which we can easily find using any search engine. Just enter your web browser and search for Core Temp application. It is available to download on their official allcpu.com website. Just open it, click download in the middle of the page and let the exe file download and run it. Then you can close the browser, click yes to proceed. And then we're gonna have to click next, then accept the user agreement to continue. Click next once again. Then you can either go with the default installation folder or change it by clicking browse and selecting a different one. Then click next. And then if you want a desktop shortcut, hit this checkbox. If you don't want it, uncheck it. If you want to install additional language packs, then also keep this one checked. Or if you don't want to, just uncheck it. So basically we don't need any additional tasks, any additional programs for this program, so we can just uncheck everything in this menu and then click next, install, and wait until this program is installed, and then click next. And let's uncheck readme part, we don't need it, and let's leave launch Core Temp option checked and click finish. And here we will have all the information about our device's CPU, but the info about our CPU is not what we're looking for. We're looking for the temperature info. So we have the temperature info for each of the core of our processor. So here we can find the temperature of every core. Here we can find the minimal registered temperature for each core, but it's not very accurate since this program has just been installed and it requires some time to get more accurate results. Here we have the maximum for each core, the average for each core, and the load for each core. But basically the temperature for each core is pretty much the same. So generally right now the laptop's temperature is around 48 degrees, as you can see right here. And so that's how you can reach your device's temperature. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.